Hello everyone, this is Phương. Welcome to my channel. Do you want to learn how to create a static website quickly, easily, and cost effectively? In today's video, I will show you step by step how to host a static website using Amazon S3, which is a flexible and affordable cloud storage service from AWS. If you stay until the end, you will know exactly how to deploy your own static website today. So let's dive in. First of all, we need to create an S3 bucket that will hold all of our static website files. Each website hold on S3 lies inside its own bucket. So let's log in to the Advanced Management Console and open up the S3 bucket. On the S3 dashboard, click Create a Bucket button. On the Create Bucket screen, give your bucket a unique name. I recommend naming it the same as the domain you plan to use. For example, www.example.com. This makes it easier later when you connect the domain to the bucket. You can also choose the region closest to the users to get the best performance. Then make sure to uncheck the option block all public access and confirm that you understand this bucket will allow public access. This is very important because AWS blocks public access by default for security reasons. But since we are holding a website, we need to make the content publicly accessible over the internet. Click Create Bucket. Okay. After a few seconds, the new bucket will be created. Okay. Be sure to remember the bucket name because we will lead it in the next steps. Now that we have a bucket, the next step is to uh, upload the static website files. A typical static website includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and maybe some images. For this tutorial, we will use two sample files, index.html and error.html. You can download these sample files from my GIT Hub report here, or use your own website files if you already have them already. To upload, simply click on the bucket name from the list, then click Upload. In the Upload window, click Add Files. Select the website files from the computer and then click Upload to send them into the S3 bucket. Okay, the next important step is to configure public access so users can actually view the website. To do this, go to Permissions tab of the bucket. Scroll down to the bucket policy section and click Edit. Here you need to add a JSON policy that allows public read access. You can copy and use the example policy below. But don't forget to replace the bucket name with the actual bucket name. Okay? Once you put it in, click Save Changes. At this point, the S3 bucket contains the website files and allows public access. However, there's one more thing we need to do: enable static website hosting. So go to the property tab of the bucket. Scroll down to the section called static website hosting. Okay. Then click Edit. Enable the option and enter as a homepage file, usually index.html as the index document. For error document, enter error.html. Click Save Changes. Now you are ready to test the website. Go back the property tab and look for the bucket website endpoint. Copy and paste it into the web browser. Now you should see the static website live on MS S3. To test the custom error page, just add some random text at the end of the URL. For example, ABC 123. When you do this, S3 will return the error page you configured, such as a 404 error. That's it. Okay. Congratulations. You just learned how to host a static website on Amazon S3. is fast, audible, and super reliable. With just a few simple steps, you now have the power to put your own website online today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. And if you know someone who could benefit from this guide, be sure to share this video with them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay?